Today we will talk about Venus, the planet of luxury, comfort, beauty and wealth, and how its combinations with different planet shapes a person's material success in life according to the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi principles. So if you are an astrology student, this video will help you to understand how Venus actually works in the real life. So we know that Venus in Sanskrit we call it as a Shukra, okay, and it represents all pleasures of life, okay, like money, luxury, love, fine clothing, okay, jewelries, expensive car, expensive watches, correct, big homes, luxury homes, and even happiness and relationship is also due to Venus. So now if Venus is strong in your chart, okay, or benefic in your chart, a person naturally attracts wealth and enjoy comfort in the life. This is the nature of the Venus. But the planet sitting with the Venus, now understand this point, this is very important. The planet sitting with the Venus decide how luxury will come and how it will stay and whether it will bring happiness or problems. All these things you have to understand with the planet that is sitting with the Venus, correct? This is how we should understand these combinations. Okay, so now let's talk about the combinations for Venus with Sun. So before I talk about this combination, you have to understand in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi we will consider combination. We have some specific rules for it, correct? So in short I will tell you in this video, otherwise you can watch my old videos on the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. There are hundreds of videos are available on internet. So in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, when we say combination, so the planet sitting with Venus or in trinal 159 or in 17 axis or in 311, planet can be sitting anywhere, okay, so that is the combination. So when I say Venus and Sun combination, so that this Venus and Sun can be together in same sign, or Venus and Sun can be in 159 axis or 17 axis, or Venus and Sun can be placed in 311 to each other. So these are the possible combinations for the Venus and Sun. Now when we see Venus with Sun, we know the royalty or ego struggle. So there are two possibilities with this combination. So this is a fiery mix, correct? Venus and Sun, I call it as a fiery mix. Sun represent power, correct? We know this is the Karaktatva of Sun, the power, government and ego. Okay, while Venus is all about enjoyment and luxury. Okay, so when Venus is at lower degree, okay, the person enjoys luxury early in life and after, like later, realizes the importance of power and status. Now this is the magic of Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. Okay, you understand this sutra clearly. This is not given in, you will not find these things in the books. Okay, these are the hidden techniques, or we can see how to understand these combinations. This is a key for it. So whenever you see any planets in combination or sitting together, so you know they must be placed in some degrees. Okay, see the degrees. Note down the degrees, and with these degrees will help you to decode the actual results. So now what I am saying, when Venus is at lower degree, so degree wise, if Sun and Venus, if you see, and Venus is at lower degree, in that case the person enjoy luxury early in life and then later he realize the importance of power and status. Why? Because Sun is at later degree or the higher degree. So first lower degree will manifest and then higher degree will manifest. So this is the whole scenario. But if Sun is at lower degree and the person works hard to achieve success first at early stage of life and later enjoy the luxuries, so this combination can give royal lifestyle, okay, but ego issues and struggle in personal life can also come. This is the case. So there are two possibilities, higher and lower degrees. This thing you need to understand. This is the whole purpose of our video. Same thing we can apply to the Venus with Moon. So now we know this is a soft, artistic and romantic combination, this Venus and Moon. The person enjoys beautiful things, love branded clothes, okay, perfumes, enjoy high class living. But the mind, because that is a Moon, can become too attached to the wealth and comfort. This is the problem with this combination, which can be leads to the emotional instability. So if Venus is at lower degree, now this is important, okay, Venus is at lower degree, then person enjoys luxury life first and then he understands the emotional stability. If Moon is at lower degree, emotional security comes first, later wealth and luxury flow follows. Same thing with the Venus and Mars. Okay, so Venus with Mars makes person bold in earning wealth. These people spend money on fast cars like gym, okay, fashion, and enjoy action packed luxuries. Okay, if Venus is at lower degree, they enjoy wealth early, okay, later becomes the ambitious. If Mars is at lower degree, then they first struggle, build wealth through hard work, and later they enjoy the luxury. Why? Because Venus is at higher degree in this second case. So this combination is a great for business, sports, and aggressive investments. Now the next combination is Venus with Mercury. This is a smart money plus business success. This is a keyword for this combination, Venus with Mercury. So now when Venus meets Mercury, the person is a smart in money matters. So these people are good in business, okay, finance, media, and digital industries. So if Venus is at lower degree, the person enjoys wealth first, later becomes the financial. Okay, later they become financially intelligent because of the Mercury is at higher degree. Now if Mercury is at lower degree, then in that case they build wealth through business first, later they enjoy material success. So this is a great combination for stock market traders, okay, luxury brand owners, and the media personalities. Now the next combination is Venus with Jupiter. Okay, this is a fortune and grand wealth combination. So now Venus with Jupiter is one of the best combination for the wealth and prosperity. Why? Because Jupiter expands whatever it touches. Okay, so when it meets Venus, the person enjoys luxurious and financial stable life. Correct. The Venus is at lower degree, luxury comes early in life, later wisdom follows. So if Jupiter is at lower degree, so in that case financial security comes early, okay, later the person indulges in the material pleasures. So this combination is found in the charts of rich business tycoons and spiritual leaders who live in comfort life. Okay, so you can check horoscopes. Now the next combination is Venus with Saturn. Okay, so keyword for this particular combination is slow but steady wealth. So Venus with Saturn teaches patience in the wealth. So these people do not become rich overnight but build structured wealth over time. If Venus is at lower degree, the person enjoys comfort early, later they realize the importance of stability. Okay, if Saturn is at lower degree in combination, then wealth comes slowly, but once it comes, it will stay forever. Okay, so this combination is best for the real estate, finance, and traditional businesses. Okay, so now let's see the second last combination, that is Venus with Rahu. That keyword for this combination for Venus with Rahu is extreme wealth or illusion. So now Venus with Rahu creates an obsession for luxury and high status living. So these people want wealth at any cost, okay, through business, stock market, social media, or any fast track success they want. If Venus is at lower degree, luxury comes early, later illusions may follow. This is the problem with this combination. Now if imagine if Rahu is at lower degree, then in that case the person chases extreme wealth early. Later they realize the importance of financial discipline. Okay, so many celebrities and social media influencers have this combination. So I will create a separate video in which we can discuss this Venus and Rahu combination. This is very interesting. So if you are interested in learning this Venus Rahu combination in more detail, comment in the you can drop your comment in below the video, so I can prepare video on that also. So now next and last combination is Venus with Ketu. Keyword for this particular combination is luxury with detachment. Okay, so now Venus with Ketu is a very unique combination and very less discussed combination. Okay, so no, very less people talk about this combination. So the person in this particular person enjoys wealth but does not feel attached to it. Okay, this is what we require with this combination. So they may have hidden asset, secret wealth, or interest in mystical luxuries like rare antiques, collecting our rare antiques and all these things. So if in this combination, if Venus is at lower degree, luxury comes early, later detachment follows. If Ketu is at lower degree, then in that case detachment comes early, later unexpected wealth enters the life. So many spiritual leaders and minimalistic peoples have this combination. You see, this Venus does not work alone. The planet sitting with the Venus actually decide how wealth will come and stay or go. All these things you have to understand with that particular supporting planet, or the number of planets who are participating in the whole combination. And some people enjoy luxury life first, okay, later they face the financial reality, while others build the wealth in the beginning of their journey and later they enjoy comfort and all. So that is why astrology is so deep. Every chart tells you a unique story. So if you like this video, hit like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video. And if you want to learn Bhrigu Nandi Nadi in very systematic manner, you can join our upcoming Bhrigu Nandi Nadi course also, where we will see like all combination that can be possibly created by using the Venus only. Okay, so this is a very interesting course. You all are welcome to join that course. Okay, so stay connected for the more astrological knowledge. Thank you. Jai Guru Dev.